Good morning. It's a lovely morning in 2025. And today I'm very excited because we're going to IKEA, guys. After almost 2 years, I'll be going again to IKEA. So we'll take our breakfast there. By the way, guys, belated Happy New Year to everyone. And I hope that the coming year will be a fruitful and bountiful year for all of us. So today, guys, samahan nyo kaming mag-breakfast sa IKEA. I'm just waiting for my friends kasi galing sila ng duty. See you again later. So, I am here in IKEA, guys. First outing namin na magkakasama. So, pakyat na kami, guys. Excited na akong mapili ng aming breakfast. Oh, so ibang-iba na talaga siya from 2 years ago. Iba na rin. Ako, coffee. Thank you. Here, guys. Ito yung mga food nila. Mga salads. So guys, I'm done sa order. Yan ang aking cart. It's country breakfast. Tapos meron akong pancake with coffee. Wow, ang ganda naman ng dalawa. Smile! Guys, mukhang hindi ako gutom talaga. May party pa. Outlook sila mamaya. Guys, kain na tayo.
After namin kumain guys, so umikot-ikot muna kami dito sa loob ng IKEA kasi meron din kaming gustong bilhin. So samahan nyo kami sa aming pag-iikot.
Pauwi na kami guys kasi talagang
Code orange sila.
dahil baha nga dito kasi alam mo naman dito medyo mahirap ang yung drainage system nila hindi ganon kaganda. So, konting ulan, yan, baha guys sa labas.
Nag-code orange na yung IKEA.
Kailangan na namin umalis. So, we're waiting actually for our Uber. And then, we'll go home na. Kasi baha na nga guys. Oh. Siya, kumukulong pa guys. Oh my God. Hello guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my video today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Pink Mom RN. Bye! See you in my next vlog!